Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and let's talk about arithmetic sequence. Okay, let's find the indicated term of each of the following arithmetic sequence that we will be having. Let's have this item. We have 2, 7, 12, 17, and so on and so forth. We're asked to find the 20th term. So, ang gagawin natin dito is first identify natin yung given. So, we're given the following. So, hanapin natin yung first term natin. So, that is 2. Our n, kung ilan yung hahanapin nating term. So we're looking for the 20th term and yung ating common difference. So pag sa arithmetic sequence, meron tayong tinatawag na common difference. So ano yung ina-add or sinusubtract natin to get to the next term. So for this one, para makuha natin yung common difference, isusubtract natin si second term kay first term. So 7 minus 2, that will give us 5. So, yung common difference natin, mapapansin natin, nag-a-add tayo ng 5 to get to the next term. Okay, so nakuha na natin yung mga given na to. Now, we will use the formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. So, substitute natin lahat ng kinuha nating given. So, that will give us a sub 20, yung hinahanap natin, is equal to 2 plus the quantity, 20 minus 1 times 5. Ayan. So, let's simplify this using the order of operation. Start tayo with the 1 inside the grouping symbol. 20 minus 1. So, that will give us a sub 20 is equal to 2 plus 19 times 5. Then, multiplication naman. 19 times 5, that will be equal to 95. Then, 2 plus 95, that will give us 97. And that will be our 20th term of this sequence. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. Okay, so we're given this arithmetic sequence, negative 6, negative 10, negative 14, negative 18, and we're going to find the 15th term of this arithmetic sequence. So, since this is an arithmetic sequence, gagamit tayo ng arithmetic sequence formula. So, yung formula natin will be a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times t. Now, let's identify our given. So, we're given the first term, which is negative 6. So, lagay natin yan. Then, we have the number of terms. We have 15. Okay. Then, our common difference. So, to get the common difference, so subtract natin si second term by the first term. So, negative 10 minus negative 6. So, let's apply the keep, change, change. So, negative 10 minus negative 6, that will give us negative 4. Now, let's substitute our a sub 1, n, and d sa ating formula. So, we will have a sub 15 is equal to negative 6 plus the quantity 15 minus 1 times negative 4. Now, let's simplify this using the order of operation. So, unahin natin yung nasa loob ng grouping symbol na 15 minus 1. So, we will have negative 6 plus 14 times negative 4. Now, let's multiply 14 and negative 4. That will give us negative 6 plus negative 56. Next, add natin si negative 6 at si negative 56. That will give us a total of negative 62. And that brings us to our 15th term, which is negative 62. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. Let's have our third item. We have 5, 2, negative 1, negative 4, negative 7, and so on and so forth. And we're asked to find the 23rd term. So, since we're asked to find the nth term of our arithmetic sequence, ang gagamitin nating formula will be the arithmetic sequence formula, which is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times t. So, identify natin yung mga kailangan natin, which is the first term. So, ang first term natin is 5. Then, yung n natin, which is yung hinahanap nating term. So, it is the 23rd term. So, our n is equal to 23. Tapos, yung ating common difference. Now, to get the common difference, ang gagawin natin is we have to subtract the second term by the first term. So, we have 2 minus 5. So, 2 minus 5, that will give us negative 3. Now, nakuha na natin yung ating given first term n and our common difference. So, let's substitute this to our formula. So, we will have a sub 23 is equal to 5 plus the quantity 23 minus 1 times negative 3. Ayan. So, let's simplify this using the order of operation. So, simulan natin sa group na 23 minus 1. So, simplify natin yan. So, we will have 5 plus 22 times negative 3. Now, multiply natin si 22 at si negative 3. So, we will have 5 plus negative 66. Now, let's add 5 and negative 66. Since magkaiba sila ng sign, copy the sign of the larger number and then subtract, giving us a sub 23 which is equal to negative 61. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. Let's have our fourth item. So, we have 3, 17 over 5, 19 over 5, 21 over 5, and so on and so forth. And we're asked to find the 12th term of our sequence. So, this is an arithmetic sequence. So, gagamit tayo ng arithmetic sequence formula natin. So, we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. Now, let's look for our first term, n and common difference. So, simulan natin sa first term natin. Ang first term natin is 3. Ayan. So, lagay natin yan dito. Tapos, yung n natin, it is 12. So, we're asked to find the 12th term of our sequence. So, 12 yung n natin. And yung common difference natin, we have to subtract the second term and the first term. Okay, so 17 over 5 minus 3. So, subtract natin. That will give us 2 over 5. Ayan. So, now that we have our common difference, first term, and the value of the number of terms, we will now substitute them in our arithmetic sequence formula. So, substitute natin. So, we will have a sub 12 is equal to 3 plus the quantity 12 minus 1 times 2 over 5. Now, simplify natin to using the order of operation. Unahin natin yung 12 minus 1. So, we will have a sub 12 is equal to 3 plus 12 minus 1 is 11 times 2 over 5. Now, let's multiply 11 and 2 over 5. That will give us 3 plus 11 times 2 over 5 is 22 over 5. Then, let's add 3 plus 22 over 5. So, let's evaluate. So, 3 can be represented as 15 over 5 so that they will have the same denominator. Tapos, since pareho na sila ng denominator, we can now add the numerator by the numerator and just copy the denominator, giving us 37 over 5. Now, we have our 12th term, which is 37 over 5. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. Let's have our fifth item. We're given the sequence 5 over 4, 1 over 2, negative 1 over 4, negative 1, and so on and so forth. And we're asked to find the 32nd term of our sequence. So, para masagutan natin to, gagamit tayo ng arithmetic sequence formula. So, we will use a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. Okay. So, hanapin natin yung value ng bawat variable dito sa formula na to. Start tayo with the first term. So, a sub 1 is the first term of our sequence. In this case, it is 5 over 4. Next naman is yung n. So, n is our number of terms. So, we have 32 terms. So, lagay natin dito 32. Tapos, yung common difference natin, para makuha yan, isusubtract natin yung second term minus the second term. So, it will be 1/2 minus 5 over 4. Now, let's apply the butterfly method to get the difference of these two fractions. So, that will give us negative 3 over 4. So, nakuha na natin yung first term, number of terms, and then yung common difference nila. Ang next step natin is to substitute. So, we have a sub 32 is equal to 5 over 4 plus 32 minus 1 times the times negative 3 over 4. So let's simplify this expression using the order of operation. So unahin natin yung ating nasa loob ng grouping symbol, which is 32 minus 1. So let's have 5 over 4 plus 32 minus 1 is 31. Then times negative 3 over 4. Now let's multiply 31 and negative 3 over 4. That will give us 5 over 4 plus negative 93 over 4. Now, since pareho na sila ng denominator, pwede na natin silang i-combine. So, 5 plus negative 93, that will give us negative 88. Then, we just copy the denominator. So, we will have negative 88 over 4. Now, take note, pwede nating i-simplify si 88 at si 4. Negative 88 divided by 4, that will give us negative 22. So our 32nd term of our sequence is negative 22. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.